Even if I tell you everything that I know. But if there's something holding you back, there's obstacles in your head, you're not gonna do anything at all. Like any other business, you gotta work on this. Dalawa lang naman ang options mo eh. You can stay where you are if you want, or you can work on this. Take advantage of the opportunity. Okay? The reason I'm telling you guys this ahead of time, just so you know that I'm not promising you any get-rich-quick scheme. No instant results. Lahat po ng anything significant in life that you would like to accomplish, whether spirituality, relationship, health. Sino po rito try to lose weight? Mahirap po ba madali? Mahirap. Anything. There has to be some work, there has to be the process, but the most important is you enjoy the process. Retirement, ano ba yung expectation ng mga retiree? John, pag nag-retire ako, tsaka ako na-enjoy ang buhay. Di po ba? Because, wala na akong trabaho, meron akong retirement fund. Now, here's my very simple message for you guys. Why wait for your retirement when you can enjoy your life now? Would that be great? Right? Because actually, the word retirement was from the industrial world. Before that, wala namang word na retirement eh. Retirement or really meant for employees. That is why si Henry C., I don't know if you've napanood ko po yung documentary niya when he was still alive. He was like 88 or something. Nakaupo siya sa wheelchair niya. Every morning, pinupush pa rin siya ng assistant niya. Nagro-roam around pa rin siya sa mall. Because he loves what he's doing. The reason that you're gonna retire, because when you don't love what you're doing. Kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, ba't ka magre-retire? Am I making sense, guys? Now, before I tell you the how, because I know for most of you, Sir John, paano ba natin gagawin yan? How exactly are we gonna do that? But before we do that, I'm gonna share with you guys this. What will happen if you step on a gas and a brake on the same time? Screeching sound, mapupudpud lang yung gulong, mapupudpud lang yung brake pads mo, you consume gas, but did you move forward? Yes or no? No. So what I'm trying to say here is before I tell you the how, I would like to work on your mindset. Because it's very important. I know, maybe some of you, narinig ko na naman yan, positive thinking and all eh. But you don't get it. Even if I tell you everything that I know. But if there's something holding you back, there's obstacles in your head, you're not gonna do anything at all. And I've coached over 3,000 entrepreneurs. Some of them naging multi-millionaires. Some of them probably they're making more money than I am right now. And here's one thing I can tell you. If you don't fix this first, then you won't take action. There's no another course na i-enrollan ninyo, another seminar na atinan ninyo, nothing else. Because there's a problem in here.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.